Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Minimum wage questions get sneaky fast, but this one is quick. Spot the government intervention, connect it to market type, and lock the right choice. In a perfectly competitive labor market, wages normally come from supply and demand alone. So when the government imposes a minimum wage, that is already a major clue. A minimum wage set above equilibrium reduces the quantity of labor demanded, so it does not raise hiring and it definitely does not remove deadweight loss. Because government intervention is excluded in a pure market economy, a policy like minimum wage fits a mixed economy, so the correct answer is B. Well done! Option B, scan now. The trap is rushing past keywords. The rule is trust what is given and check each step.